car's like almost free. According to the internet, all you have to do now is pull it.
I'm ready.
Hello and welcome back. In this gem of an episode, we tackle the interior. I mean, that's pretty cool, but why is it not going actually backwards? Fortunately, this is my car that's done this. Oh, there is more stuff plugged in. Can't do it. Didn't stand a chance of working. A lot of effort just to clean under the seat, isn't it? Oh!
Oh, you're rich.
Oh, I'm rich. This car just got cheaper. Technically correct, that's at least £1.50. Step number one is give it a clean out because it's disgusting in there. Now that's the rear gone, we can get to building. Step number one, take the dashboard out. So much money in here. This car's like almost free. There's got to be at least £2.50 in there. Fortunately, it's a BMW. If it was a Ford or something, then there wouldn't be just screws. There'd be screws, Torx bits, Allen keys. You can tell this hasn't been apart before. To get the airbag off, there's little tabs here. You have to stab a hole through it. Tip for you, if you've got a steering wheel that you feel is going to be a little bit stuck, put the nut back in a couple of turns to stop you smashing yourself in the face with it. Easy peasy. According to the internet, all you have to do now is pull it. Got something over there. Out she goes. Yay! Right, let's fit a roll cage. So the way that we fit seats is we have all of the materials. We have the seats, obviously, we have the car. Make sure that everything that needs to be in the car is in the car, because if you fit the seats and then something else is in the way, then you have to refit the seats, you're wasting your fucking time. I've got loads of stuff because I'm a bit of a hoarder. What I've got is some OMP seat bases with my Sparko seats. I was trying to make the driver's seat adjustable forward and backwards, just because then I can lend the car to my friends and stuff, but if that doesn't work out, they'll just have to bring a booster seat or a cushion or something. There's a chance that this seat base is actually for this car. Right, let's whiz that off. Lights on. Let's have a battery. I'm ready for a cup of tea. You ready for a cup of tea?
I'm up for that.
Yeah.
Always first at the finish line. First play when it's dinner time.
So I need to put the rear light in. So this one is not working and the clip's broke. That clip there is broken. However, at some point it's obviously had an earthing fault, so they've wired in direct to the earth an extra wire, which is fine. I don't mind that. It's at least 10 bodge points to Gryffindor. However, the clip's broken, so it's of no fucking use to me. So we're going to cut the earth, but what I do need to do is solder onto there because the earth has been cut. I'm going to solder that onto there again. We're going to go onto there. I imagine he scratched it up a little bit. Whoever made this, whoever did the bodge. Take some of that coating off. He's well secure. Yay! That'll do. Leaving these out in the rain was a fucking mistake. Yep. There we go.
Oh, yes.
It is sitting on the other rail, that's nice. That looks about the right sort of angle as well, because you want to be sort of sat leaning back. It's alright, you know. Put the steering wheel on. And then I have to brave getting a wet bum. So I like a driving position quite close to me. I know some people like to fucking close. So the fun thing about BMWs, I'm sure I've mentioned before, is if you look from this angle, the steering wheel is off to the left, or rather the pedals are off to the right. The predicament we have is, obviously I need a hydraulic handbrake. We're going to install this, but where do we install it? If we go, which we can do, on the floor, there-ish, halfway down, it's a bit of a stretch. I have had them there before. It wasn't my favourite because I like it a bit closer. Maybe it'll go there, but then is it going to be too close to the gear stick? First, second. Am I going to keep on bashing my hand on it maybe? To be continued. Thanks for watching this episode of Luke's Man Cave, where hopefully you haven't been too bored. We have got some stuff done, obviously not enough stuff. But that is all we have got time for. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Yep, how do we get out? Fucking cars!